Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to come up with fresh content ideas for your Reels, Shorts, or blog, today's video is going to change the game. I'm going to show you how to turn TikTok trends into powerful content for any platform using a tool called Tik Analyzer. Now here's the thing, most people don't realize TikTok isn't just an entertainment app anymore. It's basically the internet's trend laboratory. Every day, millions of users test new ideas, hooks, and formats that either blow up or flop. And when something takes off on TikTok, it usually spreads across the internet, Instagram, YouTube, even blogs. So instead of guessing what might work, why not let TikTok's data tell you exactly what's trending? That's where Tik Analyzer comes in. This desktop tool digs deep into TikTok to find what's hot right now, trending keywords, viral hashtags, and even the specific language people use in comments. It helps you discover which topics, products, and styles are resonating with audiences before anyone else spots them. For example, if you're a content creator, you can find proven video ideas and repurpose them for Reels or Shorts with your own spin. If you're a blogger, you can take those same viral topics and expand them into full-length articles that are already backed by audience demand. Tik Analyzer even tracks TikTok ad data, audio trends, and engagement metrics so you can see what's working across the board. It's like having a personal content research assistant that never sleeps. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start creating content that's already proven to perform, check out Tik Analyzer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. See you in the next one.